Jesus says, son, anyone in it good, that's it, I could Jesus says, son, anyone in it good, that's it, I could
One evening, I was listening to him and an elder man. I don't remember who the Comanche man was, but they were saying, you know, what are we going to do about our kids? Our kids don't speak Comanche. And one or the other said, oh, they're just lazy. They won't do it. But see, in that course of a conversation, if it was Elliot Comanche that said that they're just too lazy to learn it, he didn't know the dynamics of learning a language. He didn't know that you learn a language when you're a child listening to your parents. I didn't know that until I started working with the speakers and finding out how they reacted to the loss of the language. And some of these speakers went to in boarding schools also, but they had the ability to keep that language within their soul and body, and they wanted it to survive. I didn't know how come I didn't speak Comanche. It wasn't because I was lazy. The two people that was supposed to teach me taught me English. And that was because of the indoctrination or the brainwashing that they got in their formal education.
We're bringing our language back to the forefront of our teachings, and there's just so much spirit in our language that when it's taught to these students, it transforms them spiritually and mentally, and they start respecting the land, the environment. So that's what I'm really, really looking forward to, is having a lot of students come out of here with the mindset to let's fix the planet. Let's fix each other, all the human beings. We're all human. So that's what I'd like to see come out of this academy.
Namaste